These are the 4 screws. First up, we have to open that for opening up the back bezel or the back cover of the all-in-one. After opening the back screws, you have to take the tool that should be like this, and you have to open the middle area, the connecting area of the screen and the back bezel or the back. It will be stuck. You must feel that it is stuck somewhere, but it is only the key locks. Here you can see it is open and the hard disk is right behind the back cover or the back bezel. You have to open these screws first. This is the hard disk casing screws here, both of the side, and then we will open the hard disk and change it to SSD. Here comes the hard disk. The connecting cables was there. The casing. These are the covers, the side casing you need to pull out from the hard disk. Here we are using a Matrix 128 GB SSD. Connecting the cables. The side covers. Only the one screw will be fixed up in it. Now it is fixed up here. There will be one screw on the either of side, and you can see there is a space left because the space of the SSD and the hard disk are different. You can say the dimensions. That's why there is the empty space here. Here you can put up the key boxer on.